Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are discussing above ground pool maintenance. So from our last video, you saw us complete an assembly for an Intex 4.5 meters metal frame set. So of course, the water of the pool will not stay healthy or clear just the way it is. Of course, with regular usage, since it is summer, it would easily become dirty and cloudy real fast if you don't maintain your pool properly. We have our products here which will help us maintain our pool properly so that our water will remain clear and free of debris. So first up, we have our 1,000 gallon per hour filter pump here. This is also from Intex, and this is an old one which we have used from our previous pool. So if you want to know more about this one and how to install it and all the specifics, we have done a video for this one, and I will put a link maybe up here somewhere there and on our description below. Okay, so these guys here are for our chlorine distribution.
Wow!
So chlorine is essential for any above ground pool because this one helps eradicate germs and dirt on your water. Just have to know how much and how often do you give your pool any amount of chlorine. So this is a tablet type chlorine. We have 200 grams of 5 tablets. I have a sample here. So this is our tablet chlorine. So this will help in keeping our water bacteria and germ free, and this is essential for any above ground pool. Now this one right here, this is called the floater, and this one is responsible for distributing our chlorine to our pool. I think this is the biggest one available in the market. This has holes under it, and you can adjust how much chlorine your pool gets by adjusting this one here. See? So it clicks, and usually I do 3 bars. It depends on you on how much chlorine you need or you want your pool to get. But for me, I do 3 bars like that, and you load our chlorine tablets up here, so you twist, and there you go. So you put the chlorine tablets in here and you close it up like so. So you just put this on your pool and it will flow around and distribute chlorine. For what I do, one tablet of the chlorine is good for 5,000 gallons, and it would last for about a week or a week and a half, because these are slow dissolving chlorines, so they're really good. So a tablet would be best for 5,000 gallons of water. For our Intex 4.5 meter metal frame set, it contains about 7.2k gallons, and put it on our floaty. So let's do that right now. This last one here is our Krystal Clear Pool Basics pool cover. This would definitely help, especially if you're not using your pool. Protect your pool from any dirt, including insects and whatever dust is flying around. This is the 4.5 meter variant. There are sizes for every above ground pool from Intex. Of course, this is the biggest one for our above ground pool. So this is our pool cover here. It is rubber and it feels really durable for any weather. We also have tying points here with our strings. So the strings are for tying it up on your metal frame so that your Intex pool cover stays in place perfectly above your metal frame pool. It's best to use this, of course, every time you're not using your pool to protect it, since we are maintaining our above ground pool as best as we can. Okay, so we're gonna test fit this on our above ground pool. Let's go. Those are the 3 pool maintenance tips for today. So number 1 is add a pool filter pump. Second, make sure you have a chlorine distributor like a floaty. And of course this one, if you're not gonna use your pool for a long time, this will help prevent dirt and insects from contaminating your clear water. And this would also help to make your water clear for a longer time. So we will put all the links on the video description if you want to check these 3 items out. And if you have inquiries or questions, please comment them down below. So there you go guys. Please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all. You'll get notified when we upload another one of our pool specials review right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect.
There you go guys. Once again, this is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.